Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, as you've seen naman in the video title, today I'll be sharing with you healthy sandwich ideas. So, these are recipes that I've tried when I was trying to lose weight. But disclaimer first, I just want to say that these recipes are just my experiments in the kitchen and also based from my research online. I am not a registered dietitian or nutritionist, so these are all just personal recipes that I really wanted to share with you guys. So these are healthy, I believe, because based on my research, these are really good for the body, such as yung tuna, yung egg, which are very high in protein, and also the use of whole wheat bread, which is much better rather than the white bread. So these are just the things I've learned while I was trying to lose weight and what I found worked for me. So I'll be sharing with you 3 and I hope you like it. So for our egg salad sandwich, we'll need lang lettuce, hard-boiled egg, cucumber, pepper, and mayonnaise. I think I needed din yung sugar dito. So for the first part, I chopped lang the hard-boiled egg into bits. And of course, I'll add na the mayonnaise. So if medyo creamy na yung egg and mayonnaise mixture, I just add my seasonings, which is salt, pepper, and sugar. Sugar might be weird, but trust me guys, it makes all the difference kasi it brings out the flavor. Once the egg salad mixture is okay, I just toast up some bread and I add the lettuce first. So I use it as a base para my bread doesn't get soggy when I add the egg salad. So medyo struggle ako right now kasi isang hand lang gamit ko to prepare the meal. So I top it with the egg salad and of course the cucumber. And lastly, I close it up para it becomes a sandwich. So that's it guys. So the second recipe is a spring onion scrambled egg sandwich. Ang haba. But what we'll need lang are spring onions, eggs, salt, and pepper. So this one, I normally crack 2 eggs lang and just add salt and pepper and the spring onion. So you'll see it naman later when I go through how I did it. But this recipe is actually inspired by the spring onion pancakes nung sa Taiwan and even yung Korean egg that's served in samgyeopsal. So this is inspired from there that I just made into one sandwich. Apparently, a lot of people pala mix spring onion in their scrambled eggs. And when I tried it, it's really good. So give it a try guys if you like the taste of spring onions. So that's pretty much it for the recipe. Very quick lang. Just your typical scrambled eggs with spring onions. But here it is. I just top it with a slice of bread. I usually like open-faced toast, so I just used one for this round. Okay, so the last recipe is a tuna salad sandwich. So I have leftover tuna that I used for one of my pasta recipes that I'll be sharing with you guys as well through a video. But for this one, we'll make the tuna spread. So I have here the tuna, onions, mayonnaise, salt, pepper, and sugar. So, of course, I just mix everything together, starting with the tuna. I just add onions, but these are optional depending on your preference. But I really love onions, so you'll see here ang dami kong nilagay because I love having that a little bit of crunch whenever I make my tuna spread. And lastly, I just season it with salt, pepper, and a little bit of sugar. So this may be weird again, but I feel like sugar really brings out the flavor and medyo nababawasan yung fishy taste. So I recommend you to try it. So similar to the egg salad sandwich, I just place the lettuce first as my base, and of course top it with my tuna spread. And that's the tuna sandwich, guys. So I normally use one slice of bread lang. So another option, if you want a low carb option for your meals, I still have leftover lettuce, so I use that. Parang samgyupsal yung peg niya. So I just wrap it, the tuna spread, in the lettuce. And then another option would be making a cucumber sandwich with the 2 slices of cucumber and the tuna spread. Okay guys, so those are the 3 recipes. I hope you'll give it a try. Please let me know, DM me on IG if you tried it, and let me know what you think. So I really appreciate that. And if you want more videos like these, more recipe ideas that are kind of healthy, please let me know and I'll be happy to do more for you guys. So again, thank you for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!